What's going on, everybody? My name's Luca LaRussa. We're here at Clearwater MarineMax, and today I'm going to show you the 2025 Boston Whaler 210 Montauk. So we'll start here in the back. This boat is powered by a 200 horsepower V6 Mercury, which will get you going over 40 miles an hour. Also, while we're back here, I want to make mention of the ease of boarding your boat when you're at the boat ramp or docked up. Makes it super easy, something a lot of other boats overlook. They try to fill this back area with upholstery or whatever it is. So Boston Whaler gives you that versatility. Over here, you'll actually see what it would look like on both sides. Great area to sit back here. Very broad rail there to grab onto as well. And underneath both of these, we've got the batteries for the engine. Up here at your helm seat, this boat is specifically opted out for more storage, but you can also get a live well, and as you can tell, that would be a huge live well, especially on a 21-foot boat. Close this guy up, and you've also got your tackle storage for our fishermen out there. This boat truly is the jack of all trades in the Montauk category. So, I mean, you're not really limited to anything. This is island trips, fishing, going to the restaurant, anything you'd like. So up here at the helm, you've got your Simrad VHF, nice big screen on it so you can tell which station you're on. You got the JL head unit, which works well with obviously the JL speakers. Your Simrad GPS, and that will get you going to all your waypoints wherever you want to go. If you're anything like me, even if I know where I'm going, I still set waypoints on my phone just to have a good representation of how to get there the best and easiest way. Here's the frame for the T-top, and so this is all powder coated. A lot of the times you'll notice on boats, you'll see maybe rust drain off or anything like that. You won't get that on a Boston Whaler because the powder coat really seals up, all the metal, nothing exposed really. So color match hardtop as well. Got your T-top for all your life vests. I know I always hate trying to store life vests somewhere. It takes up everything that I might want to put else in there, and it's just inconvenient. Up here is a really nice Yeti cooler, which is upholstered, and as you can tell, you can use it as a front seat. But for those days that you just want to take out a water and a couple protein bars, you're not really going to use your cooler. It's nice that this can be taken off because a lot of boats you'll see it's stationary. You can't utilize this space. So as you can tell, if you took this off, you can tell just how much space you would have in this area. All right, if we move forward here. Now again, for a 21-foot boat, this is a huge fish box. I mean, this has got you covered with anything you might want to put in here. Fully insulated. You'll notice all the nice rod holders all around the boat and the stainless steel. It's all polished. It all looks really nice, really makes it flash when the sun hits it on the water. And this is all yacht grade stainless steel. I know you're going to ask me, what is yacht grade stainless steel? Well, thank you for asking. Great question. So yacht grade stainless steel is 3/16 stainless steel, which is a combination of chromium, nickel, and molybdenum. And you can search it on Google, just like I did right before this video. Up here, you've got your anchor locker. You can pretty much store any size anchor you'd like in here. Lots of space. You could even probably, your rope really fits in nice there too, just how much space you've got. And you'll notice every single hatch has got gas shocks, gas-assisted shocks. So you're not going to have to worry about holding it open with one hand and then your hand slips and then your hand just, no one wants that on the water. So they make it super easy for you. Up here, you've got your trolling motor hookup, as well as a 12-volt plug-in. Inflate any inflatables, anything else you might want to use it for. Following the line guide for your anchor, which will keep it off the rub rails. You're not going to experience any, dings up on your rub rail or anything like that, which is really a big advantage in my eyes. Thank you for joining me today. Again, my name is Luca LaRussa here at Clearwater MarineMax, and you can reach me at 727-475-2899. Have a good day.